Hey peeps! So today I am doing this Halloween inspired glam. So it's like a pumpkin spice, pumpkin eyeliner, pumpkin inspired, pumpkin everything look. And yeah, if you want to see how I got it, then just watch it. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I appreciate it all. Okay, let's just get into it. No more procrastinating. So I'm gonna prime my eyelids as I normally do. I just decided to do this look today because I basically was doing like a really dramatic Halloween type look, and in all honesty it kept going wrong. So I've just decided to settle for like just a simple Halloween wearable glam. Not everyone wants to paint in their whole face, so, and this one is so much more time efficient. So what I'm gonna do is I want to do like a little pumpkin spice vibe. So I'm gonna go in. So I'm gonna use the James Charles palette. I don't vibe with this palette, but I still use it. Don't even ask. Okay, so I'm gonna take this shade here. And then I'm gonna take this Peaches and Cream PC39 brush. And plus, you know what? I haven't done a nice dramatic eyeshadow in a while. It's been a while. Okay, and I'm just gonna take it just above my crease. I'm just blagging this look in all honesty. I have a vision in my mind what I want. That's honey. And then what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna take this shade that's next to it. I'm gonna take this Morphe M506 brush and I'm just gonna blend this. I want the look to mainly be orangey, so I'm not going too high with this color. I think I'm gonna just take this dark brown I had. I'm gonna just curve it around actually. We're gonna go back in with that orange. I'm gonna go over it. The orange, the lighter brown I just used. I'm gonna just flick it out. And then I'm gonna take this orangey one that's just over here. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just take this Sigma E36 brush. I'm just gonna blend everything out. I'm gonna just add more of that orange. Okay, I just fix that brown that's in there though. That brown is not looking nice to me. So I'm gonna go back in with that middle shade and the dark brown shade together. I'm dipping into them both. And I literally go over everything just to like make sure everything is blended out really, really nicely. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take a little bit of that orange, the orange shade that's there. You wanna look pumpkin-y and spicy. Let me do the other eye. This eyeshadow doesn't blend as seamlessly. That's what irks me. So once you're like this, then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some concealer again, and I'm just gonna should I do a cut crease? I might do a cut crease. I actually don't like cut creases. I'm not gonna do a cut crease, CBA. Cut creases are not really my thing. I just take the concealer, I just dab a little dotty on the inner corner just so I can lighten this bit here in the front of the eye where any of the dark shadow has come. For the main lid, I'm gonna go with that orange there, and then I'm gonna go with that orange there. I'm gonna do both because why not? So I'm gonna start with the lighter orange first. So I'm gonna just put it in a corner here, and then I'll take the other one. Okay, so now we're looking extra orangey. I'm gonna go back in with the lighter brown and then the darker one after. And I'm just gonna blend everything together on the sides. So I'll start with the lighter one. Let's do this. And I'm gonna take the darker shade. And we're gonna stick it on the hand. So now I'm looking like this. Super pumpkin-y, bold. Okay, and then to finish it off, I'm gonna take some pigment. So this is the Peaches and Cream Dynamite pigment, and I'm just gonna take a little bit. I'm gonna put it in the center of the eyelid just because I want to add a little. Whoop. Whoa! I want to add a little glam to that. Ignore that, but. Look at super glittery. After that, I'm gonna do a liner. So you can just do a plain black line if you want to do, if you don't have the confidence for this. But I'm gonna do a pumpkin liner. So I'm gonna just take this Morphe M250 brush. It's just like a liner brush, and then I'm gonna use this Inglot 77 liner. This liner is really like nice. It's like solid black, really creamy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna first start in a corner of my eye, and I'm gonna drag that out. If you find it easier to use a liner that is a pen, I'd recommend that to doing this because you'll have like more control. But what I do is I draw a straight line on the edge here. So you want to go straight out. You make it like a little square. Or a line again, a little square. When it comes to this bit here, you want to make it in a square. The thing is, I'm a perfectionist, so it not being perfect is really irritating me. And then I'm going to do a little nose, a little upside down triangle. And then we're going to do normal size triangles. 2 for the eyes. So we have a little eye like this. I'm gonna finish the other eye off camera and I'll be back. So now we are looking like this. So I'm gonna take some mascara. The thing is, the black liner on its own will still make it look Halloween-y. It's just obviously I wanted to spice it up a little. This is just the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. And then I'm gonna just be using these Prima lashes in the style Phoebe. Super cheap, I think it's like £10 for a pack of 5. On some nights like this, and even if you want to wear like this eye look on day to day, you don't have to do the pumpkin. You can just do like a plain black liner. It will still have that vibe. It just, obviously, won't be so extra. And that is it. My little pumpkin eyes. So I'm gonna just do my skin really quickly. I'm not gonna speak it, I'll just zoom through it and then we'll finish the eyes. I'm done now doing all my skin, my brows, everything else. So let's finish doing the eyes. For the eyes, I'm gonna go in with the dark brown shade, that one, and I'm gonna smoke it underneath my eye. I'm gonna just take a little smudge brush like this. I'm not gonna make it too heavy because I'm still gonna put orange on top of it and I want the orange to shine through. Babs. And then we're gonna go in with the orange. And then I'm gonna take some of the orange, just a little bit. I'm taking that brush I used earlier. And I'm just gonna lightly just dust orange underneath. Cute. So I'm gonna take this Morphe pencil in the shade Dark Room. Whenever I use like black liner or something in my waterline, it makes my eyes look so brown. Like normally my eyes look really dark, but then they go really lighty browny kind of color. Interesting. Anyways, what I'm gonna do next is I just put a little more pigment in the inner corner of my eye, where I put it, just to make it a little extra sparkly. And that's the eyes done. I'm gonna use this Peaches and Cream Hotline lip liner. I'm gonna use this MAC lipstick Twig. This is the final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. And yeah, I will see you all in my next video.